Good morning, Keller Williams. Welcome back to the KW CommandMC 66-Day Challenge 2.0. Today is day 61, and we're going to talk about some of the required steps in the month-end close tab that you need to complete in order to ensure your weekly soft close checklist is complete. You have an accurate picture, and everything is good to go for the next week. The weekly soft close is essentially a reconciliation of the transactions you've deposited. The key metrics are in sync between CommandMC and your accounting software. And really, so you know, there's not much to go back and correct once you get to the month-end close process. So we're going to talk about really 3 different things that you'll need to take a look at in order to do this. So the first is appointments. So I'm going to scroll down on my month-end close tab here and go to appointments. You'll see there is this set appointment count link here. In order to complete your soft close, you need to manually enter the number of total recruiting appointments and the number of total market share appointments held by your market center. So you'll click this button and you'll simply enter in the overall total for each one. Now, typically total appointments should be more than market share appointments. So I want to make sure I correct my math here, right? So this market center has done 30 appointments, 20 of them have been with market share agents. This is a manual input at this time. Any entries you make in the recruiting applet as far as recording an appointment to a recruit card do not automatically get counted here. And so when you do that, you'll hit save and you'll get this little green confirmation check in the bottom right corner. Check, number 1. Number 2, you'll want to make sure any undeposited transactions have been recorded as a deposit and saved here in CommandMC. So for example, there are 3 outstanding transactions here. I'm going to make sure I create this deposit here, right? This is a demo market center, so there's going to be some really interesting data around here. But what I want to make sure of is I create the deposit, save the text file where I need it to, and then upload it into Account Edge, right? By doing so, when I come back to month-end close, you'll see this is a 0, which is what I need it to be, right? The third thing is your key metrics summary needs to be in balance. Now, we're going to go into how to create the KW invoice as part of this process in a future video. The way to keep this up to date is to make sure to update your Account Edge invoice with the correct numbers from your KW invoice tab here on CommandMC. When all of these items line up, right, you should see transactions and KW financial statement line up. Your balance column should be zeros down all 6 items here. That would put this back in balance and remove that error. Right? And so that is the 3 required steps to make sure your soft close is happening every week. Right? So that way you don't have to go back and wonder, okay, did we do everything right? Do we have everything we need? Tomorrow, we're going to jump into validating your listings taken metrics, right? This is how you can ensure you have accurate reporting for month end, because I'm pretty sure 5 listings should not equal $100 billion in volume, unless, Dr. Evil is taking listings. So thank you. Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.